After this part, we want to model these actually. Let me show it in the 3D Max. As you can see, um, watch this in the interior layers. So to model these, firstly I open the top view, and also we got them in the front view, so I open front view. Check it out. So let me open a left view. Check this out. Then again I select revolve. Then I draw a line as axis. Pick line. Here it is. I click on these by this way. Then I use trim to connect these lines to each other. Then I want to add fillets at the corners. Watch this. Then axis line. We draw the axis line. Let's see. The profile is not closed yet, so let's check it out. Align. Here I unlock it. Then I align the line, axis line, and then I make sure that it is on the line. Finish. Done. Then let's check it out. I open the top view. Watch this. Then I want to make some copies. Let me open the visibility graphic, and I hit the imported file. Then I make some copies out of the revolve, rotate and copy 90 degrees, like this way. Check it out in the 3D view, and I want to hide this, import families. Watch this. Right now, this is what we have modeled in Revit without the imported files from AutoCAD. Then we want to associate or specify the materials. Here we got 3 elements. Let's check it out in the perspective view. Watch this. We got these 3 elements and one at the center. Let me get back to Revit. Then at the top view, plan view, I type VV to show the file again. Watch this. We can use the tool of Revolve for modeling these. As you can see, Revolve is very functional. Again, I select Revolve, then I click at the center. Watch this. Since I want to connect it to the body, again one line, trim, like this way, and then using fillet, I add a fillet at the corner, like this way. Watch this. Axis line right here, and finish. Then opening the top view, moving this from the center. Check it out. Let's see. The plane is not associated. Again, I select it. Select view range. -100 and -100 for the level. Again, I select it, move very well. since I want to move it, and then I position there like this way. Very well. Mirror, then I adjust it. I hold down Control and then I drag to make a copy by this way. One more copy for the center. Great. Opening 3D view. Here is the result. But I should resize and edit the center one, which is align. We select these lines like this way, deleting this, and then I delete the axis. Afterwards, I want to avoid the inside fillet like this way. Then I get back to the 3D Max to take a look. Let's move on. And for the center line, axis line, I draw it at the center and then finish. Check it out. This is the result. However, I made a mistake. I should have edited the center one, not the others. So I deleted it and then I move it to position it at the center. Then I should make another copy. I position it at the center. I make another copy from the others, and then here click and drag, and then I adjust it. Fixed. Check this out. Control S to save.